welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today, let's check out how to clean the backside of a saucepan in just 5 minutes with no strain and pain. So let's get started and check out the products we need. I've taken a pan that is very neat inside but very dirty outside. It has a lot of carbon buildup from the bottom of the pan. So let's now clean this pan in just 5 minutes. I've taken a fresh lemon today, cut it into 2 halves. Place the lemon upside down and pierce it with a fork. Place the lemon in direct fire for 10 seconds. Make sure the lemon doesn't change color. I've taken a tablespoon of salt in a small bowl. Dip the lemon in salt and start to rub in the backside of the pan. Continue to rub for 1 minute. Then sprinkle a teaspoon of baking soda on top of it. I've taken 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a small bowl. Dip the lemon in vinegar and then start to rub again. The brown color in the backside portion will start to diminish. It's been 1 minute and the dark brown color has slightly changed. Continue to rub for 1 more minute. If it starts to dry, then dip it in vinegar and rub again. After 2 minutes, the pan is neat and clean. Clean it with a tissue paper. Let me quickly wash the pan and show you. Now the pan is shining like a new one. Now my pan is clean both inside and outside. It just took me 5 minutes to clean this pan with very less effort. Hope this is a very easy and helpful hack. You can clean any type of pan using this method. It will remove any type of grease burn. So do try this pan cleaning hack at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.